Photographers swear by this budget beast. Godox SK400II-V Kit review. Is it too good for the price? You know that feeling when you're trying to nail the perfect portrait, but your lighting setup keeps working against you? One minute it's too dim, the next it's frying your highlights, and don't even get us started on missed flashes and slow recycle times. You tweak, adjust, reboot, only to end up with uneven shots, wasted time, and creative burnout knocking on your studio door. You're not lazy. You're just tired of your gear holding you hostage. You want reliability, consistency, and lighting that makes your subject pop, not disappear into a muddy mess. Let's be real, your work is only as good as the light behind it. And when the clock is ticking, client breathing down your neck, products waiting to be shot, flaky lighting is a career killer. One delayed flash, one inconsistent exposure, and boom, your confidence tanks. Now you're second-guessing your gear and your skills. You wonder if it's you or the tools, but spoiler. It's the tools. Cheap strobes, awkward mounts, laggy syncs, they're sabotaging your shoot before you even click the shutter. Meanwhile, the competition's got buttery softboxes and studio lights that obey like loyal pets. Missed deadlines. Wasted setups. Frustration levels at max. It's time for a system that actually has your back. Enter the Godox SK400II-V Kit, a studio lighting game-changer for real shooters who demand pro performance without blowing their budget. You're looking at 800 watt-seconds of rock-solid flash power, that's 400 watt-seconds per head, packed with fast 0.1 to 1.5 second recycle speeds, and stable 5600 Kelvin color output, and built-in 2.4 GHz wireless control. It's Bowens-compatible, full manual, so you're in control, with an upgraded 10-watt LED modeling lamp for precision previews. This kit screams value, not in a meh, it's fine way, but in a wait, this thing costs how much, kinda way. Built to last, easy to use, and ready to crush product shoots, portraits, flat lays, you name it. It's the best-kept secret of budget-savvy pros. The reviews? Wild. Users are raving about the Godox SK400II-V like it's their lighting soulmate. One seasoned shooter says, 11 years in, and this has never overheated once. Another praises its nice color consistency, bright modeling lights, and fast trigger response. Even Redditors agree, you can buy 2 Godox strobes for less than a week's per photo rental. Oof, shots fired, pun intended. Sure, it's not TTL or HSS, and the 1/16th power floor might be a snag for shallow depth of field fanatics, but for most indoor, controlled shoots? This thing slaps. Whether you're leveling up your studio game or tired of gear that ghosts you mid-shoot, this kit has your name written all over it. Ready to see the light? Don't wait till they're gone. These kits fly off the shelves, especially when peak shoot season hits. If you're serious about stepping up your photography and want that sweet spot between cost and control, the Godox SK400II-V Light Kit is the move. Full studio versatility. Built-in wireless control. Gorgeous consistency. At a price that feels like daylight robbery, in your favor. Act now, before stock runs dry again. Thousands of pros have already ditched their drama-prone gear and switched to this battle-tested workhorse. This is your moment. Don't settle for flickers and frustration. Click Add to Cart, claim your power, and light like a legend.